I'm going up on the bank.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
This is City Park.
Let's go. I don't even care if you get a book. I don't.
Oh my god, dude.
Please go.
That's had enough?
No, keep going. Notice the shit. You notice that lady's not even fucking care. She didn't even look at you. No one gives a shit. That lady over there is walking on the boat.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Just checking. Make sure everything's good. And hold on. Hold on. We're coming back. I'm going to get gas.
That was a city park in Norfolk.
What?
Definitely not supposed to be doing that.
We're coming back. Right after I get gas.